Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. First, cut it from the between like this. Now draw the lines as shown in the video and remove it by cutting it out. Now we will make its legs, give it a finishing touch like this. We will make its ears, make its trunk like this, decorate it and it's ready. Next, we will make a cute penguin. Take a bottle and cover it using the fruit foam net. Now cover it using white color net like this. Now take a black color fruit foam net, or you can just color the white one to make it black. Now we will make the hands and legs of the penguin. Make its face, stick its eyes, nose and legs, and it's ready. Next, we will make a sheep. First, we will take a round cylindrical object and then cover it like this using a cotton. Put the cotton carefully all over the cylindrical object. Now take a paper and cut out the face of the sheep. Stick its eyes and paste its legs and hands. And your sheep is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a cute elephant. So for that, we have to take a fruit foam net and cut it out in a round shape like this. Now we will make its body. Make its ears shrunk like this. Use double-sided tape or the glue gun to make the painting or the craft, and it's ready. Next, take a plastic bottle and then color it like this. After coloring it, we will take a paper sheet and colorfully color it like this and paste it. Make its eyes, wings, and your cock is ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.